What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair the ribbon in the P525L printer, the Hiti printer. You guys, we sell this printer on our website, photobooth101.com. So what happens if the ribbon breaks? You don't have to throw it away. It is still reusable, right? You can fix it. So in here, I have a perfectly fine ribbon, and I'm going to prove it to you that you can fix it by cutting it. I'm gonna sabotage this thing for you guys. Look, all right. So if this happens to you, it can be stressful. It can be annoying. You're at an event. Don't be shy to tell the people in line to wait 5 to 10 minutes. You have to do some maintenance. Don't freak out. Number one way to do this would to have some Scotch tape and to tape it. But let's just say you don't have any tape. Not a problem. What you're gonna want to do is take out the top part, and just like this, you're gonna want to roll it, right? To where it's like this, and you want to give yourself some slack here on this part like this, and this is all we're going to do. We're going to just roll it over the top part like so, but you want to do this enough to where it's tight and it's not going to be loose. So don't rush this. No need to rush it. So we're going to keep rolling, and remember, by doing this, you are losing out on some prints because you are wasting some of the ribbon. I can't give you like an exact number of rolls, but if you could see me doing it here, this should be fine enough. I feel like it's strong enough to where the rip won't be affecting the prints. So, boom, just like that, right? I am comfortable with that. We're gonna close it. Okay, and just to show you, it's gonna work, we're gonna do a test photo here. Wait a second. It's gonna make some noise, so we'll just get this going.
Ready.
I have LumaBooth running on my iPad. It's gonna take one photo, then it's gonna print, and we will see if we got it working. So,
ooh, looking good.
Share your photos. All right, it's automatically printing. We have it set. All right, and we have a basic template here with one photo. There's no real design. This is just to show you for research purposes, I guess. So check it out. We are good. Do not stress out, guys. There's always a solution to a problem.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed. You're welcome. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to follow us here on YouTube, any other platform. But don't forget, if you want to buy this printer, we also sell the catch tray. This is one item we also sell for the printer. We have some other accessories at photobooth101.com. Thank you, guys. God bless. See you soon.